Hey everyone, Briar here with Key Aviation, and today we've got a quick little video on how to get your SIM cards from Airstrike Ag working, as well as their benefits. So real quick, we'll go over the benefits of actually having one of these Airstrike Ag cards in your drone. So say you're in an environment where your drone's gonna fly behind a hill and you'll lose radio connection to it. So after you lose radio connection to it, since these Airstrike Ag cards can connect to most major carriers, it'll reconnect on 4G. So it'll show you exactly what the drone is doing. It'll give you real data of where it's at. You can see the camera, you can adjust any settings that you need, even if you don't have that radio connection. So it almost gives you infinite range on how far you can fly your drone and what you can actually see it doing. So if you have a P150 Max already, you can see most of them came with these stickers already installed on them. So that means that all of these already have these SIM cards in them, and all they need to do is get activated. All right, now to actually get your SIM card activated, we're gonna go on to the Airstrike Ag website, go over to support and service, then register your devices, and start now. You'll have to log in, and we will go to register device and add new device up here. We'll select our product. In this case, we'll have P150 Max, have its serial number in there. I'm not actually gonna put that in there, but you get the point. And then for your SIM cards, same kind of deal. Add new device, select the SIM card, type in that long string of numbers that's on the sticker, or you should be able to actually scan it and scan that QR code on there and it should automatically fill it in, but I'm on my laptop, so I'm not able to do that. And you'll hit register on that, and after you've registered all your devices that you want added, you'll go to that shopping cart and you can select your data plan that you want, whichever suits you best. With this, I'll say the more you have your camera open and the drone's connected on 4G, the more data you're gonna use. It's basically like streaming a Netflix movie. It's gonna use quite a bit of data with that camera being on. So if you're constantly watching that camera, you'll probably want a little bit higher monthly plan. But if you're really not looking at the camera much, like most XAG operators, the 2 GB plan should be enough to get you by. All right, so now that you have the SIM cards all activated through the Airstrike website, we'll go on our controller here and show you how to actually get them set up and make sure they're working with the drone, RTK, and controller. So we'll start off with the controller. Swipe down from the top, hold down on this webbing button, turn on use data, turn on roaming, and then go down to SIM card management. We're gonna go to the APN settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom to customize, and type in under APN exactly what you see here, capital D, capital A, capital C, .WB data. And then hit OK. It'll say settings applied. And you should be good to go on there. Now we'll go back, click on the farmer on the top right, click on device, click on your P150 Max, go down to the internet settings, scroll down to SIM card settings, go to the access point name, same exact thing here, dac.wb data, exactly how you see. Hit done, and down below it you can see the actual quality of the connection, in case you're having any issues with that. One more setting to see in here is internet access on the bottom. You can have this connect via the central device or via the drone. The difference between the two is if you have central device, it'll either be your RTK if you're running that, or your controller. So the drone will only connect through one of those, or you can have it do only the drone. Both of those are active now. We can go to our XRTK7, go down to cellular network, SIM card, APN, exact same thing if you're seeing the trend here. And you can also see, same deal here with the network status. I'm inside, so it's probably not gonna work very well, but you can see pretty much the same stuff. And if something's not working, you can go check on the bottom right here, the ICC ID, confirm that's the same as the SIM card that you have in there. It's that sticker right on the back there. Those numbers should match up. But that's just about everything you need to know about SIM cards in your P150. We'll have a few videos coming up next on how to actually install them if you didn't have them installed already. And other than that, if you have any questions, reach out to us at Key Aviation. Thanks.